Hello friends, I am back here for explaining you the 11th ISC Qualitative Analysis Chemistry Practical. In the practical, the student will get one salt and we have to find which anion and which cation is present in it. Firstly, we will do the cations and secondly, we will find the anion, that is chloride. For anions, we have to prepare sodium carbonate extract. Take a test tube to one part of the given salt, add in and 2 parts of solid sodium carbonate. Spatula of 1 part of salt and the spatula of sodium carbonate in a test tube, single test tube. Add distilled water, boil, cool and filter. The filtrate is called sodium carbonate extract. As I told you before that we will do the cations first. We have to prepare the original solution. Take a test tube, add salt and distilled water. If it dissolves, then it's okay. If it doesn't, then proceed. Further, you will take 1 spatula of salt or 2 spatula of salt. Add dilute HCl, it dissolves. If not, then take another part of 1 or 2 spatula of salt and dilute HNO3. In these 3 options, any one you will get. The original solution will be prepared by the dissolving of the salt. Analysis of group 0, as I told you before that the second salt is ammonium chloride. So cation will be the ammonium. I will explain you the procedure of group 0. The experiment is like this. Salt plus sodium hydroxide plus warm it. That means take 1 test tube, add the given salt, sodium hydroxide and warm. After warming, you will find that the evolution of pungent smelling gas, that means it is ammonia. You can proceed with the other further. Take a rod, dip it in a concentrated HCl and after it, take over it the test tube, the warm test tube over it. You just keep the rod which is dipped in concentrated HCl. You will find the dense white fumes. That means presence of ammonium is there. The test tube which you have warmed, above mixture add Nessler's reagent. Brown pipette you will observe. That means presence of ammonium is confirmed. For the chloride, that is anion, the experiment is take a fresh test tube, add 1 or 2 spatula of salt, add concentrated H2SO4 hydrosulfuric acid, warm it. You will observe a colorless gas with pungent smelling and it gives dense white fumes with a glass rod dipped in ammonium hydroxide. That means dip a rod in ammonium hydroxide and take over the test tube, you will find dense white fumes. That means presence of chloride is confirmed. Not confirmed, just presence of chloride is there. The sodium carbonate extract which you made already, take small amount of it in a test tube, another test tube, add or you can say neutralize it with the hydrogen nitrate or silver nitrate solution. The curdy white precipitate which is soluble in ammonium hydroxide and insoluble in mineral acid will be observed. The presence of chloride is confirmed. That's all for this video. I will explain the next salt in my another video. Bye.